In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to optimize your listing on the wedding experts for the search engines so you get the most out of all of the search engines that are available, and there are several, by having this information completed in detail on your listing. From the dashboard, you click on the Edit Listing section. When it loads, it's going to say Edit Listing here at the top. I always encourage you to have all of the information filled out. Having photos as well as videos on your listing is going to help you with organic traffic from the search engines. So as I come down through here, what I want to talk a little bit about is the specific section titled SEO, which is at the bottom. This allows you an opportunity to put in an SEO title, search engine optimized title. So if your business is titled Mock Wedding Business, but you want to use keywords in your title, but that not show as your business title on the Wedding Expert so people can find you by your business name. For example, you could use Mock Wedding Business with over 25 years experience. If you are in a certain field, you may want to use keywords that are very business specific for your industry. I'm just giving you examples. The page name, this one which will show your business name, but because I'm in a sample profile, this is loading it something differently. So this will be the name of your business. That is your page name for the Wedding Experts website. Now, the next area I want to highlight is SEO keywords. You get to put in here keywords that are specific for search engines. Awesome website or wedding caterer, if you were a caterer, for example, or awesome wedding catering. And when you're done typing, you want to do a comma. So I'm going to type the next one, full service catering, comma. It turns it into a gray square, and it is making this the whole keyword, awesome wedding catering, then full service wedding catering. And maybe it would be catering in your areas. Catering wedding receptions. Okay, so again, you can put your SEO keywords in this section. Now, this description allows 233 characters. You should be very keyword specific in this description. And I'm going to go using catering as the business type here. And again, this is not exactly what I would use, but for demonstration purposes, I'm just showing you here. Amazing wedding catering with over 25 years event experience in the Louisville, Kentucky area. Now, you see I've got the word event and experience in there. A targeted area is in my SEO description. Again, it counts down the number of characters. So I always try to tell people, don't worry about this being in paragraph form where someone's going to read this word for word. This is for search engine in regards to descriptions. So I hope that these 3 sections you will utilize so you can come up higher in the search engine rankings with your The Wedding Experts listing. That was SEO title, SEO keywords, and description. Once you're done, make sure you scroll to the bottom and click the Save button. Once your information is saved, you will be taken back to the dashboard.